Hi everybody, welcome back to another tutorial of Mission Possible, and in this tutorial I want to show you why Google Chrome is my favorite browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome here and explain to you the advantages and features of Google Chrome that make it my favorite and the reason why I like my browser shiny. When you open Google Chrome, one of the reasons why I really like it is that it has you signed in already, if you've signed in, to the Calvary Christian Academy domain of Google Apps. So you notice that I'm signed in right here, and I'm able to access my Google Drive, my Google Docs, anything else that I've set up here on my Google, as well as any bookmarks and tabs that I may have set. So that's a really cool thing. And to do that, you would just click on this little, these three lines here on the right, and you would sign in. Here it would say sign in if you're not already signed in, and that would allow you to have those settings saved for you. Now the other really cool thing about signing in is that whatever theme you've chosen for the background, here you notice I've chosen the iOS version of this kind of brushed linen look. When you sign in to Google Chrome at home or on any other computer that you're visiting, it will have all your bookmarks listed here, and it will have the same theme that you've chosen at home or on any other computer, so it will give you a very similar browsing experience, which is another really cool thing. And to do that, again, you would sign in, and then you could go to Settings here, and under the Settings tab, you can choose actually which theme you want by just scrolling here and choosing under Appearance, Get Themes. And there are all kinds of themes for how you want your browser to look, from different colors, different pictures, all just crazy amount of themes that you can choose from. And so you can truly customize your browsing experience and then get that experience on any browser. So that's something that's really cool about Google Chrome. The other thing that you want to make sure under Settings is that that you have this checked under Appearance. Always show the bookmarks bar. I showed you in another tutorial how to set bookmarks, but your bookmarks bar here is what would allow you then to have your faculty access, your BB Quick, your Net Classroom, any other things that you visit a lot. You can list here on your Google bookmarks bar and just click on them in order to go to that site. So that's a really cool thing to have as well. One of the best parts about the Google Chrome browser is this little tab right here under Settings called Extensions. And I have a couple installed, but you can click on Get More Extensions, and these are like little apps in a marketplace here, almost like going to the App Store on an iPad or an iPod, that allows you to find all kinds of little programs that are written to work with the Chrome browser. And if you click on Education here, for instance, you'll find just a ton of little mini programs that you can go ahead and add the extension to that will allow you to have easy access to those right from your Chrome browser. So that's a really cool feature. I happen to use an app called Wunderlist for all of my to-dos, and you notice right up here I have a little Wunderlist extension that anything I'm doing I can just click on here and it would add where I'm at right onto my to-do list. So if I find something cool that I want to read later, I can just click Add to Wunderlist. So that's really cool. You can browse those extensions and find lots of cool things there. Want to show you that you can also access your history right from the Settings tab, and there's all your browsing data. It actually goes in a anybody who uses Chrome can just type in this address right here, Chrome//history, and it will give you your history, but you can also just tap right on that from the Settings menu, or from this options bar here you can just choose history right there. So that's kind of a neat feature as well. If you do not already have Chrome on your MacBook Pro, you can just go ahead from whatever browser you're using and type in Chrome, and it will take you to the Chrome browser You need to find google.com/Chrome, and when you tap on that, you'll see this screen right here that says Download Chrome. You can tap that, accept and install, and then you'll notice that it will pop up here as a DMG. Once that is done downloading, you can click on that, and it will come up to, you might have to look for it, here we go, opening Chrome DMG. It verifies it, and then we'll install it for you. Of course, I've already got it installed, so but you're just going to follow the directions here as it pops up. You're going to drag Chrome into your applications folder, just like that. And then once you go to applications, down here you're going to click on applications, and you will see Chrome as an option, just like this. Yours will be grayed out, and you'll click it the first time and accept that it's a new program downloaded from the internet, and then you'll be able to use Chrome. I drag mine right down here onto my browser, or onto my dock, so that it's always available for me, and I love using Chrome as my browser. One other thing I need to tell you is that when you click on Faculty Access, you want to go ahead and make sure that pop-ups are enabled for this website so that you can fully use the functionality of our gradebook. And so in order to do that, you can either be in there, and the first time you get a pop-up, it will pop up right along here, this bar along the top, and you can choose to allow pop-ups for that site, or you can preset it by going in again into the Settings tab. And pop-ups are underneath. You'll need to go to Show Advanced Settings, and then Content Settings under Privacy. And you'll notice here, if you scroll down, the pop-ups default is to not allow any site to show pop-ups, and that's fine, but we want to allow an exception here. So click on Manage Exceptions, and if you want to go ahead and type it in, you can do a bracket * period facultyaccess.ccaeagles.org, and that will mean that any page of that website it will allow pop-ups. And if you'll type that in and click Allow and then say Done, then you'll be all set to use your gradebook on the Chrome browser. So I hope you have a great time with your new shiny browser, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.